Any mention?
Item number.
Yes, Mr. Guru.
I beg to mention item number 9. Some personal difficulty.
Other side?
No objection.
When do you want?
2 weeks, man.
After the patient will achieve.
Mr. Mohanto is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, on the
The 2 weeks.
there, made by. You are appearing for Mr. Guru? State respondent. The request of Mr. Guru or Guru, London State Council. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Diploma.
Lord, I beg to make a mention of item 7, my lord. It can be taken up after vacation, Lord. Because I have taken the consent of my senior.
After?
The vacation.
After vacation. Not, that is not going that long. After vacation, vacation is far away.
After 3 weeks, Lord.
No, sure. Well, just say Mr. Kuti Treasury, London Council appeal of the petitioner makes a prayer for adjournment of matter by 3 weeks. CSP Mountain London Senior Council appearing for the respondent. Appearing with Emily so and so for the respondents has no objection. Okay. And say prayer allowed, list after 3 weeks.
Ablash, my lord.
My lord, I also beg to mention item number 8 from the hearing list. I am the petitioner, my lord. I've taken consent from my friend also, my lord. May this
Mr. Sen?
Yes, my lord. Mr. Sen is here. It's come out after 2 weeks, my lord. Just little difficulties here,
Oh, that case,
my lord.
that Balpakram case.
Lordship.
My lord, bulk.
You want to linger it?
My lord, not exactly linger, but I would say that, but I could not prepare the case properly today, my lord.
You have a tough case.
My lord, that's why, my lord.
Okay, this. Just say Mr. P. Ewing, London Council for the petition. Price grant of for the 2 weeks time. Mr. Prayer has not been opposed by Mr. Sen. London Council may appear for the respondents. Accordingly, this is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord. Highly obliged, my lord.
May I please, Lordship? I
Yes.
beg to mention item number 11, Lordship.
This is that POXO matter which was pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. But this is the last order of the 31st of October.
In this case, the hearing has been concluded
Can you see
and
that next
judgment
page,
has been
Vinod?
reserved.
So judgment has been reserved in this matter.
This is
31-10-23.
so. I think it is better to
Yes,
avoid.
we have, Lordship.
I think there are a number of cases on the same issue, probably.
Same issue.
Okay. On a joint request. This is matter after
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention item number 2, Your Lordship. Item number 2, Your Lordship.
At number 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm praying that I may be allowed 1 more week, Lordship, to file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
What for?
Affidavit bring on record the date of retirement and regarding this financial benefit, Your Lordship.
There are 3 writ petitioners. Out of them, who are the persons who have already retired and who are still in service, they wanted to bring that on record.
Will it be relevant for the purpose of deciding this case? If somebody retires, would it mean that the matter would come to an end?
So they want to challenge the termination. So in respect of whom the case is to proceed, they just to determine that point only.
Okay. Mr. Just give his name. So and so London Council appearing for the petitioner submits that you need some more instruction from the petitioners and prays for grant of some time. Mr. S. Sangupta, Learned additional senior GA, appearing for the state has no objection. Prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks.
1 week, Your Lordship.
1 week. 1 week will do. 1 week, 1 week. Okay. Remember, it's collapse. 1 week. List after a week.
Highly obliged.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6 of today's lordship. Lordship, we have filed an affidavit. It is on record, lordship. Lordship, the matter may be fixed for hearing.
It is already in the hearing list. It is already in the hearing list.
But lordship, yesterday only we have filed an affidavit, lordship.
It is your affidavit. You
They had to file a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
will file a rejoinder.
Yes, Your Lordship. They were given last opportunity.
The affidavit filed by. Achha, they have filed a rejoinder.
Yes, Your
So you have
Lordship, they
received a
have
copy of the
filed.
rejoinder.
Lordship,
Your Lordship, I will have
Lordship.
to acquire, Your Lordship.
Lordship, we have served the copy to them.
You have filed rejoinder affidavit.
Lordship, reply affidavit.
Yes, Your
Reply
Lordship.
to your
it's the
reply.
same. Yes, Your Lordship.
Miss so and so, Miss I Hussain.
IV Hussain. Lordship.
Learned counsel appear for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has filed a reply affidavit in the matter yesterday, and a copy whereof has been served to the other side. The learned counsel for the petitioner makes a prayer for adjourning the matter by 2 weeks. MS just not country, learned GA. You are still GA, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Appearing for the respondent has no prayer, no objection to the prayer of argument. Accordingly, list is better after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Oblige the lordship.
Lordship, I would beg to mention item number 12. Your Lordship,
I'm the petitioner.
Your Lordship, my senior is currently out of station.
You are for the respondent.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Your Lordship is a connected matter with mine, item number 13, 14 and 15. So I pray that it may come together, Your Lordship.
When do you want it?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
Cancellation of bill, Lordship.
Objection? No objection.
No.
Just say this. This will be common. Only just party's name. You just check. Okay. Okay. On the request made on behalf of the respondent, list is matter after 3 weeks. This will be 12, 13, and 14.
15, Your
15.
Lordship. 13, 14, 15. No,
Oh.
12, 13.
Ours is 12.
Yours is 12, and you are appearing
13, 14 and 15, Your Lordship.
13, 14, 15.
Yes, Your Lordship.
All are connected matters. Okay.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Much obliged.
Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17, lordship. It's fixed for
Yes.
hearing. I'm not prepared today, lordship.
Why not prepared?
Not keeping too well, lordship.
You are looking so well. Why you are saying not keeping over?
I thank you for the compliment, but
Yes. 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 On the request made by MS Anji Shilla, Learner Senior GA. This is matter after when?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
Much obliged, lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3 and 4.
These only remaining items.
Lordship, the conducting counsel is out of station. I pray if this matter can come up after 2 weeks.
Who is conducting counsel?
P. Nongri. P. Nongri.
For respondent, private respondent.
Yes, Lordship. For item number 3, it's respondent number 7, and item number 4, it's respondent number 4.
I'm for the petitioner in both the matters.
No objection.
No.
2 weeks, Lord.
Will it come up next week? This matter. Mr. Mozika was also appearing in this matter. There was a stay,
And then he's being.
on the basis of the stay, my lord, they are enjoying the office of the headman.
Who?
So,
The petitioner.
yeah.
But then the petitioner is not making any prayer for urgent mercy.
Private respondent.
Respondent.
So how come interim order is passed in their favor then?
Interim order, in the sense, my lord, they have filed a review and got an order which was obtained by the petitioner set aside, my lord, on the review. And on the basis of that,
Before
the other bench, my lord.
by this court.
Not by this court, by the Honorable Justice.
No, that is but by our High Court, the order.
Yes, because on the review, my lord, there were certain facts which was brought, my lord. And on the basis of that, my lord, review order, they are enjoying, we are bound to pass an order in their favor, my lord. We have passed an order in their favor, my lord. So I'm praying, my lord, let it come
And
out.
if petitioner is not objecting, why you are objecting? That
Because
should
my
see
lord-
you are district council, isn't it?
I'm district council.
So whoever in office, it should not be your
I have-
concern.
I have appointed initially, I have appointed the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
My
Now petitioner,
appointment was
if
challenged.
petitioner is not objecting to the prayer
No,
for
no,
2
I'm not
weeks,
objecting. I'm just saying let it come after.
if
review.
they are holding office,
Yes,
they are
sir.
holding at the cost of the petitioner. If petitioner has no grievance, then
But
which way you are
my
agreeing?
grievance is this, my lord, that my order was set aside by this honorable court. That is why, my lord.
See, your order benefiting either of the private
They are not
respondents. It
just
is
about
not for.
we want the
It
matter,
is,
my lord.
it is not a gain or loss for the district council.
It's not about gain or loss, my lord. It's a matter of 2017, my lord.
That is, we understand that. But then when the petitioner has not come up with any objection, you are objecting. That is something very usual. You are not to protect their right. You see, they are there themselves.
No. We are just defending our own order, my lord. It's not that we are protecting or helping anyone, my lord, but we are defending our own order.
Yes. On the request made, you are not having any objection, is it?
Next week, let it come next week.
Now she has also changed this court. Anyway, on the request made on behalf of
After a week, my lord.
the private respondent number, so and so in this will, okay, this is matter after a week. We'll have it.
Highly appreciate.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
Yeah, for the petitioner.
Yes, Your Lordship.
23 matter.
No objection.
Yes, 10 on the request made on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Highly appreciate.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, on the last occasion, my lord, Learned Senior has given a one order, my lord, that is with regards to the submission of the report, my lord. Interestingly, my lord, they say that Annexure 3, the petitioner here is not aware of what is the report submitted by the IO there. And what is Annexure 3?
Verify, that is already recorded by the, this is recorded in the court's order. You go there, verify it.
My lord. Either, my lord, has to call for the report, means call for the record, my lord, or I may be...
No, why this court will call for that? Court will not call for it, not disturb the proceeding before the trial.
Report only, my lord, I am seeking for the report of the, which is submitted, my lord.
Report by the IU?
By the IU.
So you obtain copy from there. Why you are doing these things?
My lord, I will.
You do not have to call records for that purpose.
Obtain the certified copy, my lord.
When do you want it?
My lord,
No, see, the maintainability will always remain.
my lord, definitely, my lord. My lord, I have that judgment, my lord. That's it for.
What is the judgment? Your prayer here is what for?
My lord, my prayer here is, my lord, that the documents which has been, that is Annexure 11, my lord, the documents which I have received, my lord.
Annexure 11 in your
Yes, my, yes. That I wanted to produce before the court, my lord. Before the court, my lord. Nothing else, my lord. Those documents which I have been given by the IO, my lord.
No, when can you produce it and what is the time?
My lord, before the trial starts, my lord.
Mr. Khan can help you.
My lord, that's...
His smile says that he can do it. Yeah? Anyway, you take instruction on the basis of this IO's report, come back later. We'll just see. We'll come to that. You do one thing.
My lord.
Place is on the next day. First you verify that.
What is the...
Mr. Khan, let him specify the orders. He says that he has not received that IO's report.
IO's report plus Annexure 3 in that order, my lord. What is that Annexure 3?
So that you verify from there.
My lord.
Lordship is kept
This will be there everywhere in the record of the trial court. So you verify it from there.
My lord, I will get the certified copy done.
When shall we have this matter?
My lord, to get the certified copy as your lordship.
No, it's up to you. It is for you to obtain.
Next week, my lord.
You can do it within 1 week.
If within 1 week, we will we will get the documents. Man.
Okay. On the request of the petitioner, list this matter after a week. That's it, Mr. Khan. Yeah. We'll come after a week. After a week.
Also, the issue of maintainability is kept open.
That will be open.
My lord, definitely, that
will definitely.
I have that.
This court will have to first satisfy itself before passing.
My lord, that's why, my lord, that judgment I wanted to place.
Yes.
Your Lordship, this is an application for restoration, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Whereby the writ petition WPC was 159 that was dismissed for non-appearance of the advocate. This is petition 103 of 2017. Was dismissed on 01/2/2021 by this court, Your Lordship, where it is stated that none appear on Annexure 1, Your Lordship. The ground is that today, when the matter is called up, no one is present on behalf of the petitioner. It seems that petitioner has since lost interest in the matter. Accordingly, matter stand dismissed for default. Lordship, this is the actually where case was pending, then for no appearance it was dismissed. My Lordship, there is some delay, of course, in filing this instant application for restoration of petition. To that effect, I have mentioned the ground, Your Lordship, where I have stated in my para.
How many days delay?
There are actually number of delay, Lordship, is
897.
Let him, please. Let him. Let some reply come from there.
Yes, Lordship. There is a 897, but excluding the COVID.
97, so long. You will reject your petition.
But Your Lordship.
What explanation you are giving?
Your Lordship.
What explanation? What is the explanation?
Yes, explanation I have mentioned in my petition for 5, Lordship.
Just tell us what is that.
Actually, first was that this dismissal, because due to some there was a gap between the communication gap between the petitioner and the counsel. Even till today also the petitioner said that he is not able to contact even to the counsel was earlier who was appearing because might be.
No, but then today you were there. Earlier counsel is
I'm
irrelevant.
there, but the previous advocate with the previous counsel, since at that time, and moreover that time that there was a COVID-19-21, it was really affected by the COVID. Due to those reasons.
COVID for how many days? Any exemption for the COVID period?
There was exemption, Your Lordship, in the PTP. There is some exemption was given.
For how many days? From which period to which period? The exemption for COVID. Your 897 is inclusive of that period or excluding that period?
It is inclusive of all the inclusive of all.
It means
actually the real delay is excluding COVID. It will be around 500 days only, Lordship.
Is it?
Lordship.
So why you have
no? Here in the affidavit filed by learned friend in Para.
Why you are going to their affidavit? You tell about your affidavit.
Lordship.
According to you, how many days?
There was only 333 days. 333 days.
Delay.
Lordship.
Then your petition says 897 days.
That is because I have including even that which was the COVID period.
So once you have included, so we will keep it included. We will not exclude it.
Your Lordship, there is a judgment also.
What is the period to be exempted? As per the order of Supreme Court for COVID period, from which date to which date? Let us see.
Lordship, I just need to go through those period because now that one.
You have not gone through?
Lordship, I have not gone through.
Well, Mr. Shangresho, the petitioner counsel needs to go through in the courtroom and then for making submission.
Let it come after some time because maybe I'll go to those judgment, the exact specific date, everything.
So you do not have that thing from which period to which to be exempted. If you want to take benefit of that apex court order, then you have to give it to us.
Why don't I have annexed the...
We have seen that. But then even then, learned counsel is not in a position to say from which date to from which date.
Right, exactly.
Now that is what is required.
Right.
You have filed your objection, isn't it?
Right.
Now, if you say you have no objection, then we will record it and we will finish it.
Right. I have really I raise objection regarding to
So that is what. So if you say objection, then...
My lord, here the applicants, they suffer from dishonesty, non-disclosure of proper facts, suppression of facts are there. Because of that, I raise this serious objections. Otherwise, my lord. So my friend seems to be not aware, Lordship is correctly pointed out, from which date to which date he is counted. What is the exact period of...
That is what. You see, a condemnation application is filed. You know, like, should not be taken casually.
Exactly.
If law says there's something to be done in certain way, it has to be.
Correct.
There has to be a day-to-day explanation.
Right.
So, it should not be something like that, that we take very casual approach and then dispose of all the petition like this. And law of limitation is now applicable throughout the state of Meghalaya. We'll give him some time. Mr.
Yes.
Day. When? After 1 month or 2 months?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
Mr. P.T. Sangwan, Learned Counsel, appearing to the petitioner, submits that he may be given further 2 weeks' time for preparation. For preparing the matter. Mr. H.L. Sangreshwar, Learned Senior Counsel, and Mr. Rajdev, Learned Counsel, GHUDC, appearing for the respondent, have no objection. Prayer allowed, list after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
Hello.
Main list.
Come prepared, Mr. Sangwan. Do not take anything. See, anything for granted.
First.
hearing item number 5.
Your Lordship, my senior is currently on his legs in court number 3.
So,
can you have this matter anytime next week, Your Lordship?
Lordship, next week.
after a week, then it will go to
Lordship, actually, Lordship, in the month of December, I have matters. Oh, he is here.
But, old matter, my lord, very interesting matter. Slightly lengthy also, my lord. In fact, I have a part heard matter, my lord, in the other court which is going on.
That is your see.
Yes, if your lordships can accommodate me for today, otherwise very interesting matter. Very
The
interesting.
court can accommodate, but then the other side, there is no things, should not result in some difficulty. And if you have this thing, then take a date. You see, like she says that she may not be available in the first week of December.
First week of December.
Well, we can have it after 4 weeks then. We'll see whenever it comes. 4 weeks will go beyond vacations.
Yes.
No, then we'll have it after 3 weeks.
After
she will not give
my
us.
lords.
After vacation. No. After
We'll have after 3 weeks, so that
Okay.
you will.
Yes.
It will not come in the first week of the December. First week of December.
Beyond first week of December,
Yes.
because first week of December I'm.
It is not coming in the first week of December. It will come after that.
Okay.
If it goes for 3 weeks from today, definitely it will come after that.
That is like after 8 of December.
3 weeks is after 8.
3 weeks is after 8 weeks.
My lord.
Okay, on the joint request of the parties, this is matter after 3 weeks.
Deeply.
Item number 16.
Item number 16, Senior Advocate VJK Kinta is there, Lordship. And the leading counsel here is for the state respondent is KP. Both of them, they are available. I'll just go and call them.
They should be here when the matter is called for.
Yes.
You are there for the state.
KP Bhattacharya is
None appears for the party.
leading
This
counsel.
is matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged.